welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. This is the first time that I'll be speaking in my videos. To be honest, I really don't like the sound of my voice, but I don't know, just trying it out. This is an unboxing of a purchase that I made probably a week or 2 weeks ago at the Coach outlet. Okay, here we go. I think there'll be, I have a strap, one strap, and a bag charm, and that's it. And let's start with the web shoulder strap. I thought it was like whiter, I guess, the shade, but it's not. It's more off-white or cream. So yeah, this is the webbing strap. They're sold separately. They're not as thick as other straps that I've had, like the one that I have with my camera bag. It's a Coach boutique purchase. That one is way thicker than this, but the width is the same, and it has the silver hardware, which suits the bag that is meant for this, because that bag has a silver hardware as well. The other one that I purchased, again from Coach outlet, is a let me see, let me open this. No, it's hard to open. As you can see, I'm in my car. My roommate is at home, and I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna wake him up, so I decided to just do the unboxing in my car. So this is the new release accessories from Coach. Very summer themed. This is the milkshake bag charm, and it's really nice. It's really thick, very nice glazing on the side, and again, this is in silver hardware, which will be perfect for the bag. This is it for now, and yeah, I like it so far. Thank you for watching. I'll be right back and trying it on that bag. Thank you. So hi again, guys. Like I said, I'll be back and I'm gonna try the two accessories that I just unboxed: the webbing shoulder strap and the bag charm. And this right here is the bag that I'm gonna try. And now let's try the milkshake bag charm. Something on the back. I can place it here like that. That would look. I don't really like the look of the bag having two. The bag charm and the hang tag on the other side. So I'll probably take this off. I can try putting it here. Let me see. think that's fine. I think they look better together, don't you think? So yeah, this will be the look. I think it's perfect. Let me take out the wrapping. Taking off the tag.